Want to discover the irresistible trait that 85% of women say is the most attractive quality in a man? In this video, we reveal the power of confidence and how it can be the secret to unlocking a successful love life. Don't miss out on the chance to transform your relationships. So sit back, relax, and prepare to learn how to unleash your inner confidence and become the man that every woman wants to be with. Welcome to my channel Black Tie. Hello, thank you for tuning in to our video, The Power of Confidence, Why It's Attractive to Women. Are you tired of feeling invisible in the dating world? Do you want to know what women find attractive in a man? In this video, we'll explore why confidence is so important and how to develop it. Let's get started. In fact, did you know that 85% of women say that confidence is the most attractive quality in a man? This statistic highlights just how crucial confidence can be when it comes to attracting a potential partner. But why is confidence so attractive? There are several reasons why women tend to be drawn to men who exude confidence. #Confidence is a sign of competence. One reason why confidence is so attractive is that it signals competence. When a man is confident in himself and his abilities, it suggests that he is capable and skilled. This is an appealing trait in a potential partner because it implies that the man will be able to provide and protect his partner. Confidence is also an indicator of success. People who are confident tend to be more successful in their careers and personal lives, which can be an attractive quality to potential partners. Confidence is associated with assertiveness. Another reason why confidence is so attractive is that it is often associated with assertiveness. Confident people tend to be more assertive and decisive, which can be a desirable trait in a partner. Assertiveness is important in relationships because it allows both partners to express their needs and desires in a clear and direct way. When a man is confident and assertive, it suggests that he will be able to communicate effectively in a relationship, which can lead to a more fulfilling partnership. Confidence is contagious. Finally, confidence is attractive because it is contagious. When a man is confident and self-assured, it can make those around him feel more confident as well. This is because confidence is often perceived as a sign of social status. When a man is confident, it suggests that he is comfortable and successful in his social interactions, which can be appealing to others. Additionally, confidence can make a man more charismatic and engaging, which can be attractive to potential partners. So, what can you do to increase your confidence and become more attractive to women? Here are a few tips. Number 1. Work on your self-esteem. Confidence starts with a strong sense of self-worth. Focus on building your self-esteem by practicing self-care, setting goals and accomplishing them, and surrounding yourself with positive people. Number 2. Practice assertiveness. Assertiveness is a key component of confidence. Practice expressing your needs and desires in a clear and direct way, and learn to say no when necessary. Number 3. Improve your body language. Your body language can communicate confidence, or lack thereof, to those around you. Stand up straight, make eye contact, and avoid fidgeting to project confidence. Number 4. Develop your skills. Confidence is often associated with competence, so focus on developing your skills and becoming more knowledgeable in areas that interest you. Number 5. Take risks. Finally, don't be afraid to take risks and try new things. When you step out of your comfort zone and succeed, it can boost your confidence and make you more attractive to potential partners. In conclusion, confidence is an incredibly attractive quality in men. Whether you're looking to attract a potential partner or simply want to feel better about yourself, working on your confidence is an important step. By practicing self-care, assertiveness, and self-improvement, you can increase your confidence and become more successful in all areas of your life. And that's it for our video, The Power of Confidence, Why It's Attractive to Women. We hope you found these tips helpful and that you're feeling more confident already. Remember, confidence is an inner state of mind that takes time and effort to develop, but with the right mindset and tools, anyone can become more confident. Do you agree that confidence is the ultimate secret weapon when it comes to attracting women? Share your thoughts in the comments below and let's continue the conversation. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.